Hey everyone, my name's Drew Hitt and I'm a cinematographer from Windsor, Ontario, Canada. In today's review video, we're looking at the Swift Z wireless monitors from Crystal Video Wireless. If you're a cinematographer, DP, or filmmaker, you've probably discovered that wireless video is very expensive and out of reach for most budgets and productions, but not anymore. For only $698 US, you get both 5.5-inch 1080p touchscreen monitors with built-in wireless transmitters and a range of up to 800 feet. The monitors offer low latency wireless transmission at 1080p with frame rates up to 60 FPS. On the front of each monitor, it has a 5.5-inch 1920 by 1080 IPS panel with a max brightness of 500 nits. The Swift Z includes full-size HDMI input and outputs, 12-volt DC in, and a 3.5mm headphone output for audio monitoring on set. Each unit can be mounted to a rig or a camera cage using the 1/4-20 thread on the bottom. The kit also includes 2 antennas and a sun hood for each unit, a micro HDMI cable, a USB Type-C to Type-A converter to update the firmware. Each monitor is powered by dual Sony NP-L series batteries for hours of use, which is great because they're easily available, affordable, and you can use higher capacity batteries for hours of shooting. The Swift Z is compatible with all Swift series wireless transmitter and receivers, and it supports HDR high dynamic range and has 3D LUTs built in, including S-Log2, Log-C, and V-Log that work really nicely. It also offers professional monitoring tools such as focus assist, zebra, markers, zoom, false colors, monochrome, and image flip, as well as anamorphic modes. The anamorphic modes include a 1.2 times, a 1.3 times, a 1.5 times, which works great with the newly released series of full-frame 1.6 times anamorphic lenses from Sirui, as well as a 2 times squeeze. The monitors include heatsink fans to dissipate the heat, and they do a great job of keeping the monitors cool and the fans quiet when active. The receiver monitor is lightweight, portable, and includes an ergonomic wooden hand grip, which makes it really comfortable for the director or AD to monitor and pull focus. You can just use the monitors as on-camera monitors by turning off the wireless, and it takes about 20 to 30 seconds to initially connect the wireless for the first time. The HDMI out on the receiver can also be sent to larger director TV monitors in Video Village or for larger productions as well. In this example, we're on set with my friend Gavin Booth, who's an award-winning director, who was able to try the monitors out for the first time in a commercial shoot.
What's great about this is the fact that they're combined. The wireless transmitter is a monitor, just saves so many cables, so many riggings onto the camera. That to me is like revolutionary. I don't know why other people haven't thought of it. I just really love that. And then I know that what the cinematographer is seeing is exactly what I'm seeing as the director. So there's definitely on a technical level and performance level, I never have to worry that we're missing something when I'm using the director's monitor. Those crucial details of being able to recognize focus that might be a little off, or really being able to read the actors' faces and understand if they're giving the performance that I want. That's what I need out of a monitor. I need to be able to see the drama the same way everyone at home or in a movie theater is going to see the same drama.
In this example, we're going behind the scenes on a music video directed by my friend Elliot Hale. His DP and First AC were able to use the Swift Z as a secondary on-camera monitor, and the receiver was used for the focus puller and director to see exactly what the camera sees. We had the receiver mounted to a stand with a 1/4-20 thread attached to the magic arm for easy portability. They were shooting on the red Komodo and sent the HDMI out from the small HD to the Swift Z transmitter and monitor, which was also mounted on the side of the camera for the camera assistant and director to see. This unit is great for first ADs and focus pullers that sometimes need to be in another room or further away from the action to nail their focus on every take and never miss a mark. You can also connect a monitor to your cell phone as a third monitor by downloading the Crystal Vision app from the Apple Store or Google Play for Android. The mobile app offers full monitor controls with the option of capturing stills, or you can record a low-quality proxy that you can email to the client or the director. If you're looking for the most affordable dual wireless monitor setup on the market today, then the Swift Z is my top pick. I hope you guys really enjoyed my detailed review video of this epic wireless video combo. If you enjoyed this video and it helped you in any way with your buying decisions, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Follow Crystal Video Wireless with the social links in the description of this video to learn more about their wireless solutions, products, and you can follow me on Instagram for more behind the scenes of how I do what I do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.